In closing, I just want to say I hope users have fun using the new reverse bevel support that's been added with Circle. Basically, all you do is you draw a shape, press B to bevel, you could press Q to Q bevel, and Shift F in order to basically flip that shape. Keep in mind that at this time, because of the lack of multi-bevel support in Boxcutter, you'll be shifting your shapes live and then adjusting your bevel using the HardOps modal more than likely. Switching over to circles just as easy as pressing D, and for this particular update, Circle will be powered by Polygon, meaning that whenever you are beveling your circle, if you have a low amount of segments, you will bevel every edge. Of course, keep in mind that Q bevel can be toggled off and on using Q, allowing you to get these really rounded shapes. But with that, we'll go ahead and wrap this up. Originally, I had a very long demo at the end of this, but I realized that it bloated the time by about 1.5, so we'll just save all that for the second channel. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and with that, we'll wrap this up, and I'll see you guys next time.